Hey guys, it's Karen Mara. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make Clickbank sales without a website and how you can promote up to 4,000 Clickbank products with one link. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, this is a product that I reviewed just a few days ago called CB Moneyvine. And when I did the review, I thought it was a good product, but I thought, let me go ahead and promote it and see if it converts, and it does. So I wanted to let you guys know about it because it's a great way that you can make Clickbank sales, again, without a website. So when you share your link to someone, which is going to be, and it costs $20, by the way. There are some upsells, but I just got the basic. So once you get the product, you're going to put your Clickbank ID in here at the very top. Wait a minute, right here. So you put your Clickbank ID. Don't ask me why I chose that. It was years ago. Okay, so then you're going to be able to share this link right here.
It never fails.
Gets a free account. They're going to be prompted to purchase one Clickbank product a month in order to keep their website active and be able to share it with other people as well. And they can purchase something as low as like $5, it doesn't matter. But this is a really good video, and I had some good response from it. So once they come inside, then they're going to see, it's like the Clickbank marketplace here. There's over 4,000 products in here. It's kind of like if somebody, you give them your link to the Amazon site and they go there and they purchase anything, you get credit for it. So it's similar to that, but there's physical products, there's all the different Clickbank products in here, well, 4,000 of them. But you can see that somebody can come in and purchase whatever they want, and then when they do, you get the commission for it. So it's a really good product, I believe, and I already made a sale from it, and I'm not really even promoting it. So if you come down here, then you're wondering, well, this link that I have that will help me sell up to 4,000 products on Clickbank, how am I going to market this? Because that's always the question. So when I did the review here, again, this Clickbank CB Moneyvine review, when I clicked on these two links, it didn't take me anywhere, but I see they have it fixed now. So if you go into email ads, they'll give you email swipes. So if you already have an email list, you can send this out. They're really good email swipes. You could also use these for solo ads, and that's where they show you, in case you don't know what a solo ad is, it's a provider that already has an email list of a lot of subscribers, and they'll send out your offer to their list for a price, and you can get them very, very inexpensively. So they have top 10 email solo ad providers, so you can see, you can find these providers on Udemy. Some Facebook Facebook groups have good solo ad providers. That's where I found some. And different directories. Traffic for Me is another great solo ad provider. Directory of e-signs. I've actually never done that, but that's another good one. And Igor Kafit's solo ads as well. And so then they talked to you about exactly how to email your subscribers and do email solo advertising. So there's a lot of training in here on exactly how to do email marketing, and they have safe swaps, so there's really good training in there. And then they have banner ads. So they've got all these banner ads that you can use, and you don't have to have a website. You can go to these sites right here, banner ad directory, and then look, this first one here, you can get a banner ad for as little as $10, and there's a lot of traffic, high traffic website. So you can try these out and see which ones convert the best. You can see there's a lot of different banner ad sites that you can go to. I know Shoe Money is a good one. There's several in there. And then as far as Facebook groups, they show you how to do that. And also they give you over 500 Facebook groups that do allow solo ads. So you can download that there. You can invite your Instagram followers. Now when you click on here, it doesn't take you, I thought it was going to give you like a little ad, but you have to make up your own ad. It just basically takes you there. It's like if I click on here, it'll have my link there, but you have to write, something interesting that would get people's attention. Same thing with Twitter. It'll take you there. And I didn't even see where it would have the link, so you have to put your link in there. But I would think something like how to make sales of over 4,000 Clickbank products with one link. Check it out here, something like that. Or you could even go into these email ads and see. I would take something maybe this free system is designed to stuff your account with autopilot commissions of over 4,000 Clickbank products. So that's something that you could put on your Facebook wall or your Instagram. And I wanted to mention, in order to get paid, you do have to go to your account settings and apply to get your affiliate link. You just click here, and that's going to take you over to Warrior Plus. I already have mine, so it doesn't show up, but it will say request access or something like that. So you click on it, and it'll take you like maybe a day to get your link, your affiliate link, and then when you get it, you put it in here. Because I had made a sale, and I wondered why I didn't see the commission, so I wrote to support, and they said that yes, you need to make sure you put your link in here. Then it might have been in some of the training, I just hadn't seen it, but that's what you want to do to make sure that you get credit for any sales that you make. So basically all these people here, 2022, if they decide to purchase a product so that they can be able to share a free website and earn money when other people purchase products through Clickbank, then I'll make a commission every single time they do that, every month. So I think this is a great way that you could make some money through Clickbank, where you don't have to focus on like one product, because people can come in and purchase whatever they want. I didn't even realize there was this many things on Clickbank for people to purchase. So I just wanted to share this with you. It's just a way that you can make Clickbank sales without a website. If you guys found some value in this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you want to learn more about these kind of topics, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And I'll also leave a link to the CB Money Vine review for you to take a look at. Also, if you need to contact me, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. Actually, it'll be the second one, because I'll leave a link to the CB Money Vine if you want to go ahead and pick that up. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.